30 to 36. 30 to 36. Code paborito ulit. 150 pesos. Swimming puti. Ma'am Marlene, yours na pareho. Paborito ulit. Best airport outfit yan, mga madam. Ma'am Romina, yours na. Next, mga mami, this is a trouser pants. Very Zara. Pang-office naman to, ha. This one is color taupe. Garter sa likod, front is not pocket, both sides. Okay, mag-office ka muna, ate. Pang-opisina to. Pang-office. 34XL. 34XL, 32-34, code office. 32-34, code is office, 150 pesos. Next, mga mami, this one, it's a maroon cargo pants. Cargo pants, color maroon. Babae, lalaki, pwede to, ha. Garterized, drawstring, pocket both sides. Cargo, mga mami. Bottom details, you can adjust. Ganda nito, mga madam. 24-20, small med lang to. Hanggang semi-large, cargo. Code cargo, 150 pesos. Office, Ma'am Tessie, Faron, yours na, Ma'am Tessie. Code is cargo, 24. 24 to 30. Next, mga mami, another linen pants. Best casual Cameroon. This one is linen. It's garterized drawstring. Bitin to, mga mami. Bitin. Very pang casual. Very pang casual. 32 large. 32 large. Code large. 150 pesos. Cargo. Ma'am Sharito, yours na po. Isa lang to. Ay, may isa pa. Next, mga mami, very Zara. This is quite heavy. May bigat to ng konti, mga madam, ha. This one is metal gray, Zara levels, garterized drawstring, pocket both sides. Mahaba sa akin, mga mami, pang 5'4" to. Pang 5'4". 28, 30, 32. Code metal gray. Code metal gray. Ma'am Eloisa Pua, yours na po. Code metal gray, 28 to 32. Next, mga mami, airport ulit. Airport outfit, this one in hot pink. Okay, pocket both sides. Garterized. Sakto lang to sa height ko. This one is wide leg. Maganda to. 24 to semi-large 30. 24 to 30. Code airplane. 150. Mga pang airport yan. Metal gray. Ma'am Charita, yours na po. This one. Next, mga mami, may tag pa to. This one is bago. Formal pants. Mag-a-attend kayo ng mga formal gatherings. This one may tag. Very Zara, very bagsak. Pocket both sides. 24-26. Code, parang bago. 24 to 26, parang bago. Ma'am Marites Fernando, yours na po.